Hey guys, how you doing? This is Julian Lee, and in this video I'm going to break down the 3 must-have affiliate marketing tools that you will need to be effective online to actually make some additional income. It doesn't matter if you're a brand new affiliate marketer or a struggling affiliate marketer, you need to have these tools in place. Without these guys, it's going to be extremely hard to make money. Now, I'm not sitting here guaranteeing that you will, but without these alone, you're going to be dead in the water, okay? So let's go ahead and get started real quick. I'm going to show you guys a quick breakdown of a simple funnel, right? And we could get, so I actually kind of put this together real quick before this video started so I don't make it too long. I want to give you guys as much valuable information in as short a period of time as possible, right? So what I've got up here is different traffic sources, right? So these are the 3 top tools you're going to need. You're going to need a landing page builder, okay? You're going to need a tracking software, and you're going to need an autoresponder service. Those are the top 3 tools that you will need, bar none. And I'm going to break down how that works, all right? So now, if you're out there and you're doing paid advertising for instance, like solo ads, any Facebook PPC, or if you're just using YouTube PPC or just YouTube as far as this free traffic, you want to be able to drive that page or drive that traffic to what's called a squeeze page or an opt-in page. Some people call it a landing page. Now, the whole point of this page is to actually collect that email. So if you've got to give something of value in exchange to get someone's email address, that could be a free report or a free video content, whatever that is, right? Very similar to what I'm doing right now. So what happens is you need to have a landing page builder. The top 3 that I could think of, right? You got lead pages, you got ClickFunnels, that's very popular, but I use another one called Convertri, which is extremely fast loading pages, and I do it for that particular purpose. Because if the page is taking too long to load, more than likely that person that's visiting the page is going to be gone. You only have so many seconds to grab someone's attention, so keep that in mind. So the landing page software will allow me to build an opt-in page, okay, and a bridge page, right? These 2 right here. Now this portion in the middle is where your autoresponder service comes in. When someone enters their email address, they'll be added to your autoresponder, and then through this system, you can redirect them over to your bridge page. On your bridge page, you could actually add something else that you'll also need, the 3rd piece, which is a tracking software to be able to track which one of these marketing methods are working the best for you, where you're getting your leads from, where you're getting the sales from. And you will need a tracking software. I use something called ClickMagick. And don't worry about those names, guys. I'll leave all of that in the description field for you as well, so you can see that, as well as this tool that I'm using right here to illustrate this particular funnel. All right, it's very straightforward, guys, but these are the top 3 tools. I'm going to cover them once again. You've got a landing page builder, autoresponder service to collect your leads, as well as a tracking software to track your traffic sources. Without that, guys, it's going to be extremely hard to get any success, because this is what's happened. Let me give you guys an example, right? Say, for instance, you want to market a product on JVZoo or something on ClickBank, right? You always want to start with the end in mind, right? So say if you find that particular product, right, and this is their sales page, you could literally use the copy information from that sales page to set this all up for yourself, right? So you could use some of the copy, some of the benefits on here, and actually add that as copy in your opt-in page. Okay, of course, you want to spend some time and put together some type of valuable information for someone who wants to opt in, whether that's be in video or that's in a free report. Okay, so that's the first thing. So so you'll have that copy there, and that will be your lead bait, and that's something you give in exchange to get an email address. Okay, when someone subscribes there, again, before they even go here, keep in mind your tracking link software is going to create a special tracking link, and then you're actually going to, whatever that URL is for your opt-in page that's right here, that URL will go inside of your tracking link, okay? And I could show you guys a quick description of that in another software or in another video. And as a matter of fact, let's keep this going so I can keep this short and sweet. We could cover those specifics in a different video so you guys will see exactly how this flows, right? So again, the traffic source will come here from these different sources. So if you're running solo ads, you're gonna have to provide a tracking link to them. That tracking link will point back to your opt-in page. Same thing if you're running traffic from Facebook, and same thing from YouTube. So go into an opt-in page, okay? When they enter their email address, that gets added to your autoresponder services. The top 3, Aweber, GetResponse, there's SendMail, there's MailChimp, and a few, SendLane, and a few other ones out there, right? I use Aweber right now. And once that email is added in there, then you can redirect them to this bridge page. On this bridge page, you can actually put your tracking code in there from your tracking ID, so you know that the only way someone gets to your bridge page is if they enter the email address here, and that pixel will fire, and so when you go back and look at your stats, it'll actually show you your opt-ins and that type of thing. As a matter of fact, let's just add to this because I don't want you guys to be confused. I want to give you guys as much value as possible. And I'm actually going to just log into my ClickMagick really quick here so you guys could see what's going on real quick. And I'll just show you really briefly some traffic that I ran. Let me just find the one I ran recently. And you'll see the tracking. See, this is the tracking right here to see the leads coming in, right? So this is what this tracks. This is in action. These are leads that came in through a couple of different campaigns that I ran. I just want to show you guys that just as an illustration. And like I said, in a future video, I could break that down and show you guys exactly how to do that stuff, guys. I want to give you guys as much value as possible in these videos because I didn't get this stuff when I started out, okay? So again, you're going to opt in here. The email will be added to your autoresponder. It'll be redirected to your bridge page, and then from the bridge page, you can actually send them to the sales page because this is what happens. You're building your list and you're building a know, like, and trust list so that if anything happens to this particular offer and that's gone, guess what, guys? You've got your leads that you've built a relationship with, okay? And all that takes now is to get another offer right in here, okay? And you could actually, boom, get another offer right in there, and you can actually email your leads and send them right to this particular offer. And again, you could keep this thing going. And you could actually change out these pages to fit whatever this offer is. You're in control because guess what, guys? You've got your leads. So it doesn't matter what you're marketing. You want to always build your list and nurture that list, connect with the list so that when you're sending their emails, they're looking forward to opening it. So that way, when you actually have something that you want to recommend to them, that you send out an email, they'll make that purchase, okay? So those are my top 3 tools that you will need. Your top 3 affiliate marketing tools that you will need to enable to have some success online. Again, that's a landing page tool, a tracking software, and an autoresponder services. Those are the first 3 things. Without those 3, every marketer online, ask them, they have them. Okay, there's no way people not out here flying blind, guys. These are necessary tools, all right? And those are the top 3 tools. So if you've got some value from this video, like I said, right below in the description field, I'm going to lay out my 3 resources that I use, as well as my contact information so you can reach me through Facebook. I'm a real person. If you have any questions, and of course, leave any comments below this video, and I'll be more than happy to get back to you. But you got to give me at least 24 to 48 hours, though, because I'm not always on here, but I'm looking at putting out as much content as possible on my YouTube channel to help to assist all new affiliate marketers on these different tips and tricks that I didn't have when I first started online. All right, so this is Julian Lee. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Smash that bell button if you haven't as of yet. And make sure you check out those resources I've got down in the description box. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.